Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to another session here with us at Mathematics Resource Center. And today we'll be looking at the topic expanding to brackets. So this is basically a part 4 to a 4-part lesson on expanding brackets. And today we'll be doing the final part, which is to expand two brackets. Alright, we might have another part 5, which would basically be exam type questions like, well, these are exam type questions, but more of past paper question. But we'll just go through these for this session. Alright, so let's go. We're expected to expand the bracket, which means that when we're finished, we won't have any bracket remaining. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to multiply each term here by the terms here. So let me take our 6x and we're going to multiply the 7x. And that's 6 times 7, 42. And x times x, x squared. So 6x times 7x, that's 42x squared. Then we're going to go ahead with the same 6x and it's going to multiply the next term, which is 3. So it's 6x times 3, which gives us 18x. So that's plus 18x. Good. Now we're finished with our 6x. We go on to the next term, which is our plus 1 or positive 1. I'm going to use it just the same to multiply our 7x and our 3. So go with the 1 times 7x, and that is 7x. And then we go 1 times 3, and that is 3. Now we're going to look if there's anything that can be simplified. We have 42x squared. Do we see any more terms that has x squared? Look, any more terms that has x squared? It must be x squared. No. This has an x, but no square. This has an x, but no square. That doesn't even have an x. So no, there's no like term to 42x squared. So we write it back as it is. Then we'll go with the other term, 18x. Ooh, we have 7x as well. They are like terms, so we're going to go ahead and add them. So 18x plus 7x, that is 25x. And we have plus 3. Can we simplify any further? Oh no, we can't. Why not? Because this is x squared, this is x, and that's a constant. They are all from different family, so we can't group them together. So we're keeping them in their own bundle, right? So that's our solution for number 1. Good. Let's get to number 2. And if you want to test yourself to see if you have captured any skills so far or mastered the skill, pause the video, work on number 2, and then press play. Let's go with number 2. So when we have 2x plus 3y in a bracket times 5x minus 2y. So it's this bracket multiplying that bracket. So what we're going to do is that we're taking each of these terms and multiply every term here. So it's 2x is going to multiply the 5x. And that gives us 10. 2 times 5 is 10. X times x, x squared. Good. Then we're going to take the same 2x and multiply the next term, which is with negative 2y. So 2 times negative 2 gives us negative 4. X times y is xy. Alright? Now that we're finished with the 2x, we're going to go to the next term in that bracket. And what's that next term? Oh, it's 3y. So we're going to say 3y times 5x. 3y times 5x. 3 times 5 is 15. So that's 15. And y times x is xy or yx. Doesn't matter whether you say xy or yx, they are the same. And then we go with the same 3y. And we do the other term. And it's 3y times negative 2y. So 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. And y times y, that's y squared. And now let's look. Do we have any more like term to 10x squared? No. So we write it back as it is. And let's look in the middle now. We have negative 4xy plus 15xy. xy, xy. Oh, they are like term. That means I can add or subtract them. So I have negative 4 plus 15. Oh, the signs are different. So what am I going to do? Okay, if the signs are different, then I subtract. So I say 4 from 9, and that leaves me with 11. X, Y. What sign goes here? Well, signs are different, so I subtract. And then I am going to look for the number that appears the largest. And that's the 15. And what's the sign of in front of the 15? A plus. So a plus go there. Or a positive sign. Right? Let's go with the next one. We have negative 6y squared. Do we have anything to group it with? No. So we're just going to put it back just the same. And that's our final answer. Well done. Alright. So remember now, you can pause the video. Then come back and see if your answer is correct. So let's go with this one. Same procedure. We're going to take each term here and multiply by each term there. So it's like we're matching. So we're going to match this 3x to 5x. 3 times 5, 15. X times x, x squared. The same 3x will match into negative 2. So this could be like chicken and rice. So I give 5x some chicken and I give negative 2 some chicken. And when I'm finished, I'm going to give, this is the rice, I'm going to give 5x some rice and negative 2 some rice. See? That's just another way to think of it. So let's go. 3x times negative 2, that's negative 6x. And negative 4 times 5x. So that's negative 4 times 5, that's negative 20x. And negative 4 times negative 2, that's positive 8. So we have 15x squared minus 6x minus 20x plus 8. So that is 15x squared minus 6x minus 20x, or negative 6x and negative 20x. Oh, the signs are the same. What do we do when the signs are the same? We add. So we're going to go ahead and add 6 plus 20, and that's 26. So I have 26x, and we're going to look for the number that appears the largest. The 20 appears the largest, so whatever sign is in front of it, we're going to put it there, and that's a negative. And we put our plus 8 at the end. Good, good. Did you get that correct? Well done. I know you will get it correct. Now, here we go with your turn. So we have 2 questions. Go ahead and complete these 2 questions. And then click on the link below in the description and it will bring you to the solution. All the best working on those questions. And remember to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, bye-bye.